In this video, I'm going to review the 8-inch chef knife from Findking with an imported Japanese AUS10 steel. Hello guys, I'm Chef Panko and I work in a Japanese restaurant. Subscribe to my channel for everything about knives and cooking. This knife has an arrow Damascus pattern. It has a filled tang wooden handle. The Damascus arrow pattern is a bit on the lower side and that can add some extra work if you need to resharpen your knife at the Damascus layers. I wish that the softer steel cladding was a bit more further away from the cutting edge. The knife is balanced at the bolster. This will make the knife a little bit back heavy, but this is dependent on your gripping style. Since the knife is so lightweight, you won't feel any difference in the balance point, no matter what gripping style you use. The profile is pretty much the same as your traditional Western chef's knife. It performs like a traditional chef's knife, but then less durable because of the AUS10 core material. The knife itself has a better edge retention and is sharper than a Western chef's knife. I prefer the pinch grip at the bolster, but this knife is suitable for any gripping style since there is enough knuckle clearance. The edge under the bolster and the spine is nicely polished, so there is no sharp edges. The knife is very good and performs well, however the filled tang handle is not completely in line with the wood. So if you move your fingers at the metal parts of the handle, then you can feel the edges. Despite the small noticeable bad finishing on the handle, you will not feel it during normal use. The durability of this knife is good, but keep in mind that this is an imported AUS10 core material. Unlike the Western knives like the Wusthof or the Zwilling, you can't chop through hard bones or frozen food. The durability of the AUS10 core material is definitely better than a VG10 core material, without sacrificing in any edge retention and sharpness. This 8-inch chef's knife from Findking is pretty stiff, so there's no flex in the blade. Unlike the Tojiro, which has a noticeable flexibility in their knives. For the complete specification of this knife, you can read it in the description below or visit the store page from the seller. Be aware that the seller also sells the same version with the different core material, and that version comes with a G10 handle and is slightly cheaper. If you want to know more about cooking, knives and how to sharpen your knife, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them behind in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.